Button interactions sound. One of the interactivity that we can apply with buttons is to add sounds. For example, to hear a voice or a sound file when the mouse points over the button, and another sound when we click. We can test this file to hear the sounds. When we point over, we can hear a voice. It's a sound file. And when we click, another sound file is playing. Let's apply this in our file. First of all, we have to import sound files into the cast panel. So we can choose import and choose the sound files from our project. Here is the two sound files, iPoke and Magical 2. We can select and import. They come into the cast panel. After, we can choose the button and the mouse enter event. We can add a new action, sound, play cast member. The cast member is the proper sound file. iPoke in this sample, the one we have imported, then OK. On mouse down, on click, play sound, play cast member, the second file. Let's test our file. When mouse over, the sprite changes and we hear the voice. When we click, the next sound is playing.